What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the facelifted Nissan Almera, which is basically the Versa, but it has an extra dose of optional sportiness. Now, Nissan Thailand has launched the new facelifted Almera that benefits from some similar updates as the US-spec Versa. Now, the budget-friendly sedan is available with a single powertrain option and a range of accessories that spruce up the styling. Now, as its predecessor, the styling of the 2023 Almera is now nearly identical to that of the Versa, including the wider V-motion grille with vertical slats and a newly added gray sky pearl exterior color. Now, what is more interesting is the us-spec model has an optional body kit, which is highlighted in most of the press shots. However, it is only for show as there are no mechanical differences over the entry-level Almera. Now, the visual modifications are available through the optional iconic, ignite, and ultimate packages, while the standard trims E, EL, V, and VL retain the regular body. Now, at the front, the bumper add-ons create an illusion of larger intakes accompanied by a prominent black finish splitter that matches the grille and the Almera lettering on the hood. Now, similar enhancements are carried over to the profile of the vehicle, featuring deeper side skirts and black garnish along the lower portions of the doors. The design is further complemented by a shark fin antenna on the black roof, a lip spoiler tailgate garnish, and a rear bumper extension. Notably, the rear bumper extension incorporates a sizable diffuser and dual center mounted exhaust pipes. Do note that these exhaust pipes are purely cosmetic, as the actual chrome finished single tailpipes remain visible under the bumper, making the whole arrangement look a little weird. Now, if you step inside the Almera, you'll find a recognizable 8-inch infotainment screen, which is available in higher trims, while the entry-level models come equipped with basic audio systems. Now, you can also see that additional features can include a wireless charger, Nissan Connect services for remote control functionality, and the automaker's 360-degree safety shield, ADAS, advanced driving assistance systems. Now, there are no few sporty accents from the optional packages like the aluminum pedals, extra floor mats, also soft touch patches on the door panels, and the Almera branded door sills. Now, the us-spec Almera is exclusively available with a turbocharged 1-liter petrol engine producing a 99 horsepower, 74 kilowatt, 100 PS power, and 152 newton meters, 112 pound-feet of torque. Now, this is down 23 horsepower, 17 kilowatts, 24 PS, and 2 newton meters, 1 pound compared to the 1.6 liter unit of the US-spec Versa. Now, power is transmitted to the front axle through an Xtronic CVT gearbox with a manual option. Now, the 2023 Nissan Almera is already available in Thailand with prices varying based on the trim level. The range starts at $549,000, $16,238 and goes up $699,000, $20,668 in comparison. Now, optional packages are also available for the Almera, with the iconic package priced at $11,900 or $352. Then you have the Ignite package at $19,990 or $591, and then the Ultimate package at $29,990 or $887 US. So with that said, what do you guys think about the new Almera for 2023 facelifted with a fake body kit? Drop those comments down below, and if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings, more people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the new facelifted Almera for the Thailand market. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the extra love you guys show. It helps keep the channel going. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and the social media links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.